Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video is all about the live session trade review in which I first opted for longs. So as you can see, this is the pure consolidations market. So right now we have PPI data, which likely to be a part of consolidations phases or slow market phases. So here I'm expecting higher prices to 26 210 level, but I'm looking for eyes here, which is 26 162 level. If prices closes above this level, then I am definitely looking for longs. So I'm looking for this kind of support to blow these levels, and now I am anticipating if price close below this level, then I'm looking for shorts. If in case price holds this levels, then I will be looking 26 210 level, which is long positions. So I waited here. This is the level from 60-minute chart, which is a kind of resistance level. So that's my bias, or I can say I am majorly looking for shorts positions. So here from this points I'm looking for shorts. See, this is my entry from here. Old high is my resistance levels, which I am participating as a sell at here. Okay, and I will be targeting 26108 level for my draw on liquidity. See, if in case price close above this 26 179 level, then I will be stay silent. So these are the conditions. So this is my entry. If price close below this level, then I will be moving my stop loss to break even. See, price is purely consolidating, taking a long time, but staying below this level, which is blue level. Okay, see, it closes now. Need to push below. Okay, this is a significant level. You need to take something off here. See the rejection. So basically our daily goal is to just able to secure 30 handles or almost 30 handles for a day. Basically for me, if you are putting one lot and able to secure almost 30 handles, that's something 21,000 rupees, a 2100 rupees. Okay, per lot. So see, price is resistance. From here we have two things: either the price go above to rate 26 187 level, which is a 16-minute resistance levels, and then goes lower, either, or just hold it and go momently downwards. These are the two steps which are looking for to play out for this day. See, prices consolidating here and there, nothing clean, but we able to secure 30 handles. That's enough for me. So that's it from my side. Now what I am expecting is to, if price gonna go lower, it quickly need to run the lows and move towards 26 125 level. If not, then I'm looking for one more time high to be taken out and then go lower. This is the two things which I'm looking for, cause price is pairs in a weekly chart. As you can see, go for weekly charts and draw the data. You will find the price make a significant high or showing high level in a weekly chart. That simply means we are looking for shorts. So today is the PPI which brings slow market conditions. So just wait. So thank you. I will be doing live sessions from tomorrow at a 9:05 level. So be prepared.